Welcome to the Lawn and Garden channel. Get ready to uncover the secrets of petunias. Subscribe now for more gardening tips. Petunias are edible. While not commonly known, petunias are actually edible flowers. They have a slightly sweet flavor and can be used to garnish salads, desserts, or even brewed into herbal tea. However, make sure to only consume varieties specifically grown for culinary use and avoid those treated with pesticides. DIY tip: incorporate edible petunias into your garden and enjoy fresh blooms in your culinary creations. Ensure they are grown organically and free from harmful chemicals. Variety of colors. Petunias come in a wide array of colors, ranging from traditional shades of pink, purple, and white to more exotic hues like blue, yellow, and even black. Some varieties also feature striking patterns and bicolor combinations. DIY tip: experiment with different petunia varieties to add vibrant pops of color to your garden beds, containers, or hanging baskets. Mix and match complementary colors for a stunning visual display. Petunias attract beneficial insects. Petunias are known to attract beneficial insects such as bees and butterflies with their nectar-rich flowers. These pollinators play a crucial role in garden ecosystems by aiding in plant reproduction and increasing fruit and seed production. DIY tip: create a pollinator-friendly garden by planting petunias alongside other nectar-rich flowers such as lavender, salvia, and zinnias. Versatile growing habit. Petunias exhibit a versatile growth habit, making them suitable for various garden settings, including beds, borders, containers, and hanging baskets. They thrive in both full sun and partial shade and are relatively low-maintenance plants. DIY tip: plant trailing varieties in hanging baskets or window boxes for cascading displays, while compact varieties are perfect for edging garden beds or filling in gaps between taller plants. Deadheading for continuous blooms. Regular deadheading or removing faded flowers encourages petunias to produce more blooms throughout the growing season. This simple maintenance task prevents the plant from directing energy into seed production and promotes prolonged flowering. DIY tip: make deadheading a regular part of your gardening routine by snipping off faded flowers with clean scissors or pruning shears. Focus on removing spent blooms and any developing seed pods to keep petunias looking tidy and vibrant. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you can get notified for more landscaping secrets. Take care and see you next time.